got a new battery powered lawnmower. The last one packed in, and you can see I need to cut the grass pretty badly, but we're going to get a strimmer that suits this one. Probably still will when it comes out. It was sold out at the time. So Powerbase, I think they're Homebase's brand. So obviously usually do plastering videos, but still have a lot of grass to be cut, so do a quick unboxing of this. There's the instructions inside the grass box. Thought it was going to be wider, but it's quite deep. I think that's the mulcher. You attach that to the back of it. It's most likely the batteries. Well, it's the charger. So, quick look at the batteries here. Let's get these charged and give it a first try here. So, the indicator on them. Apparently they are half charged, but I'll give them a charge anyway. First. Charger feels nice and the clicking of it feels good. So it's quite actually heavy. It's much heavier than the Lidl one we got. So hopefully that means it's going to last 20 times longer. I think there's a wee bit of assembling to do here with the handle. Don't want that to blow away. So it's metal. So I think the last one we had was plastic. So this one already feels a bit more robust. Connections for the handles, so it should be hopefully a pretty easy thing to set up. Otherwise you need to slide in. Inside. Yeah. So how does that unlock? So let's see. Try and keep everything together here. Doesn't matter putting them bolts in it, no doubt. Seems to be 2 clips here, probably for the just to tidy up the cable. Obviously, if you get it, guys, you might want to just have a quick look at the instructions. I think I'll put that in right away. again. Third time lucky. I'll just do these hand tight for now. Just to get it going. I think the bodies come in here. You want to have a wee quick look at this? So the bodies will go in there. Again, it does look much better, more solid. Not sure how waterproof that will be. I think the water would run down through into there, so not that you want to cut the grass in the rain anyway, but the same type of wee clips there. Should get to go up. I'll get the handles round, show you it all set up after.
Sure.